Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make Hambone and Pinto bean soup. Let's do it! I've already turned my Instant Pot on saute mode. Now I'm going to pour in about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. I like using grapeseed oil because it handles high heat well. Now I'm going to pour in a medium diced onion. And I have 2 carrots chopped up. I've allowed the Instant Pot to saute my onions and carrots, so I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put it on pressure cook for 45 minutes. And if your Instant Pot says manual, you can press the manual button for 45 minutes, and you can go up or down with the plus or the minus. And now I'm going to begin to add my other items in. I'm going to put in a couple of celery sticks in big pieces because I just want them in for the flavor. I'm going to put in 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Two cups of water. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to put in a little bit of black pepper. Just a dash of pink Himalayan salt, 1 bay leaf, some leftover chopped ham. I'm going to put in a pound of pinto beans. They've already been rinsed. Now I'm going to put this meaty ham bone in. Got a good amount of meat still on there, so it'll flavor this soup really good. Okay, so the ham bone is not fully submerged, so I'm going to add a couple more cups of water. Now we're going to put the lid on and let it do its thing. You want to make sure that your sealing valve is on sealed, and we will let it cook for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to let it self-release for at least 20 minutes, and then we will do a taste test. Our ham and beans have finished cooking, and they have self-released for 40 minutes, and I am going to release whatever's left, which is not going to be a lot. The silver button has dropped down, so now we're going to open it away from our face. Yum, it smells really good. I'm going to remove the celery because I only had that in there to add flavor. You're welcome to eat it if you want, but you don't have to. Boy, the ham is just falling off of that ham bone. Now we're going to do a taste test. Oh my goodness, that is yummy delicious. I am a Southern girl. This is a Southern recipe, and I think you would like it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of the day, my friend. God bless. Bye.